Hi everyone, I am back with the brand growth idea of this week, and today we are going to talk about being a long-term brand. Yes, play the game long-term. That is the brand growth idea of today, and that is why it is important for all of us to understand that why as a brand we need to play long-term. Look around yourself, all the consumer durable brands or the apparel brands that you're using or the food brands that you've been using or consuming in day-to-day life are the brands that have sticked around and played the game long term. Coming to the service sector brands, it is very, very, very important to play the game long term because instant gratification never leads to brand advocates or brand loyalties. You might get too many sign-ups, but you will not get too many retainers, if I have to put it that way. That is why it is very important to play the game really long term and keep the things in mind which are not myopic, not short lived. Because when you are indulging into branding, it is a long term process. It is something for people who believe in a vision and who believe in creating and living that vision going forward. Short-term and short-lived plans, I call them advertising campaigns, promotional campaigns, but that is never about branding. So when we are talking about a brand, we always have to make sure that we are playing the game long-term. Now, what do the brands which play a long-term game do things which make them, brands worthy of this video or the discussion or the brands that we all need to look up to as business owners. What do they do differently? They always put the customer first, whether it is creating a product or creating a communication or talking about their offerings or brand messaging or the brand scripting. They always have the customer first. So make sure that when you are creating a brand script or a brand messaging, you have the customer as the top priority. Recently I was in discussion with a brand script expert, and we just exchanged idea of even the about us needs to be about the customer, not about us as the business owner or us as the service providers. They strive for details and personalization. So they believe that every customer is important and they believe in offering the personalized approach, the customization, simplified version for you. So that kind of brand care needs to be taken care of if you are in for something long term. They always talk simple and precise, to the point communication, so that you are making it easy for the consumer to work with you. So always make sure that it is easy for the consumer to work with you as a brand. Do not make it difficult for them to understand or to subscribe to you and to work along with you. They always own their mistakes and keep progressing. We all know the stories about Cadbury's chocolate going wrong or Kent Arrow's this campaign going wrong. So they always make sure that they own their mistakes, they take charge and they keep progressing. That means, hindering away or hiding or escaping from one thing gone wrong is not something for the people who are there for the long term. So if you are looking to stay there, learn to own your mistakes, take charge and just progress. They consistently create value. Yes. So innovation and consistent value creation is very important for the brands that are there for the long term. You can come in and offer, grab the offer, make a deal. So that is always a special offer or a deal, but that is never the long term thing. But if you are doing it consistently, if you are always offering something or the other to your clients, which makes their life simplified and easy, that is what makes you a long-term brand. That is what makes you trustworthy and people stick around because they know that there always will be something more to it. So make sure that you are consistently creating value and adding offers and making things simple and easy for the consumer. And when we say simple and easy, It doesn't necessarily have to be, in terms of giving them discounts or offers. It can also be adding value through education, through some workshops, through boot camps, through some ebooks, by creating regular content assets. It could be anything, but you need to focus on value creation. They always reinvent themselves. That means they always go with the time, the trends, and they keep on reinventing themselves so that the customer never has this feeling that they might be losing, on something by subscribing to you as a brand. Rather, they trust you because they are always aware that you are reinventing yourself and you are talking about it, you are communicating, your customer is updated about it. So long-term brands consistently reinvent themselves. They always look at things from the different angles. Now, when we say different angles, they always go the extra mile. They always make things simple. They always take charge of, the best, the political, economic, social, or technical thing. Whether it is an upgrade which is technological related, whether it is a social aura around something which is affecting their consumer. For instance, a lot of brands have come up with solutions and offerings around mental wellness, health during the pandemic. So, a lot of those things do make a value. There are brands which are offering, better economic packages after the post-pandemic time. So, all those things do count when you are a long-term brand, and they go really, long in the memory lane of your customers. They do remember what was it that you did differently. So make sure that you play the game long term. Do not go for instant gratification by generating a lot of sales today and then people forgetting about you tomorrow. If you are a believer of branding and brand creation, brand equity, and brand creation, you need to be focused for the long term play. And I will be back with more brand growth ideas. If you are getting any queries around my these brand growth ideas, feel free to get in touch with us. You can leave a comment or direct message or send me an email as well. And we'll keep meeting at the same space with more things to do together to grow our brands. Until then, take care, stay safe, happy branding.